to Michaela's List, and today I will be trying to make Elmer's Squishies figures. So I already cut it open, so I just have to open it. So right away I see one of the molds. It says number 15 on it, and it's funny because that's my lucky number. I don't want to open it and get a spoiler, so I'll just leave it there for now. I have the two solutions, A and A. Just kidding. It's two A's, I guess. Plastic cups that have lines. Battery. Oh, the UV light. These ones glow in the dark, so that's why. There's one that says number 14 on it. A mixing stick, I think. Oh, there's instructions and a character guide. Whatever these are. Oh, there's the solution. Alright, so, come on. So, there's one solution B and another solution B, but it's refusing to come out. There we go. So, there's two solution Bs, two solution As. This is the UV light. Let's see if this works. Oh, there's two mixing sticks. So if one gets dirty, we could use the other one. Oh, there we go. You have to press this button down. It's a switch. So here's the UV light. Don't stare at the sun, guys. Anyway, so you could put the switch on and off. Wait, let me just see. I think these should be glow in the dark. Yeah, you could see the difference, I think. Let me see. See, one part is lighter. Let's try with the pink one. I have to, oh wow, the character guide is really long. So, first step. Squish secret solution A for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 15. Alright, I squished it for 15 seconds. Open the secret solution A and slide bottom into slot of stir stick. Oh, that's what this is for. You could put it through it so that squeezes it out. So I just squeeze the top so that it won't come out when I try to open it. Let me just get some scissors. They're right next to me this whole time. Anyway, just have to, oh, there's a rip tab. Alright, so it says, roll this, wait, and slide the stir stick at the bottom. Fill to line A. So I'm just gonna get the cup and I'm gonna fill this to line A with the stick. So I think I have to, oops. Wait, let me, oh, there we go. Oops. Oh, it's coming out, it's coming out. Just have to fill it to line A. I think I might have to pour this whole thing in there. Alright, I think all of solution A is out, so I guess. Alright, so next step. Repeat previous step for solution B, filling to line B. 1, 2, 15. Alright, so I'm just going to squeeze the top part down so that it doesn't come out when I rip it. Alright. I think I might have to do the whole bag for solution B also. Okay. Just have to get the remaining solution out of here. Some of it got on my finger. Alright, that's it, I think. I'm gonna go quickly use hand sanitizer. I'm back with hand sanitizer, and the next step is add glue pen or up to 1 teaspoon of your choice of glue to customize your mystery character. Alright, I guess I have to look. It looks like a monster guy, so it's either an orange monster guy or a pink monster guy. Well, let's see what this one is. This is another monster guy. So this one's going to be pink and the other one's going to be orange. Let's do the orange one first. Alright, wait, so the whole thing, it just says add glue pen. I guess we'll find out. Alright, I'm going to start mixing it for 1 minute. Alright, I'm gonna see on the timer what's 1 minute. Let me try adding more with the glue pen thing. Alright, so I added more of the glue pen. Starting to get like this really light, pretty orange color. Alright, I think that should be good. Next step is pour mixture into the closed mystery mold. Let me just make sure all this is out. Alright, that's the best I could get it, I guess. But you could go right here. This is the one I wanted in, I think. So let's just pour it inside. I'm just gonna use this stick to push it. Looks like applesauce, but really sticky. I'm just gonna use this to make sure there's like no air bubbles or whatever. This is future me. There were actually a lot of air bubbles, so yeah. Right, let me just leave the card here for now. I'm just gonna like try and really get it in there, you know? Okay, I'm just gonna try to like mix it in the mold, I guess. None of it's leaking, which is a good sign. I'm just gonna kind of like spread it around the edges. I guess that's good. It looks like a mess, but alright. The next step, I'll scrape any of the extras on the top. Not really working very well, but I think it got most of it. Set aside for 60 minutes, so an hour. I'm gonna leave this here. So right now it's 4:58, so it's about 5 o'clock. So when it's like 6 o'clock, I'll check back on it. My sister is gonna do the other mold with me, so yeah, she's gonna come in here.
Hi guys, my name is Ariana. I'm Michaela's sister.
Alright, so this is the mold that you're gonna be using.
And I want this color.
It has to be that color.
Okay.
Alright, so first you're gonna squish this like this for 15 seconds. I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 15. Alright, so I'm just gonna...
The molds can be different colors.
No, that's only in the rear one. Anyway, so I'm gonna squish the top down so that no like solution goes on the top. So you could rip this part.
Okay.
Just rip it. Rip the whole thing.
Oh my
Put that down
god.
somewhere. Alright, so we're gonna use this one this time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thing got on it. Alright, that's fine. Gonna put it
Wait,
right
what?
there. And I'm gonna start it. You could keep going, but we're gonna use this cut. So you have to use the whole bag.
Okay.
I'm just gonna start it. Alright, so just squeeze right on the top. And keep rolling and squeeze. Keep squeezing. Keep rolling. Keep squeezing. Oh, no, careful. Make sure all of it's inside the cup. All of it's inside the cup, okay? Alright, now it's 5 o'clock, so it has to be 6 o'clock until we can check on it. Keep squeezing. Alright, so I think I should get the rest, so in the meantime, just wait, okay? Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with solution B. Alright, so close that up, put that down.
Okay.
Like this, and you're gonna squeeze this for 15 seconds again. 1, 2, 14.
It's like hide and seek.
15. Alright, so I'm just gonna squeeze the top so that nothing comes out.
Okay.
And you can rip it. Rip the whole thing. Put that on the tracing board. Alright, perfect. So, where is it? Oh, right here. Gonna put this on the bottom. I'm gonna start rolling. Just squeeze the whole back. Keep rolling and squeeze. Make sure that it stays in the cup.
Okay, I think this is ready.
Right, let me just squeeze the excess out, and then
Okay.
we'll start working on the next step.
I don't like the color
What color?
of this.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's just orange purpose. But it looks lighter there.
Yeah. I wonder what yours is going to be. I'm so excited.
Well, I don't
for
know
mine.
It's just called yours and mine for now because yours is technically the one that you are making. But I don't know if I'll like both of them. I don't know if I won't like one. I don't know how it's going to work. But for now, alright, so next step is to put the glue pen in. Just don't squeeze from the side because it has some of the solution in it. Hold on tight.
Squeeze.
When it starts getting hard, let me know, okay?
How it's hurting my fingers.
You want me to take over?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay. Yep.
So you could start using this to
mix
stir, and I will tell you when to stop, okay? Just in circles, okay? Not too much, not too fast, just stir it in circles. Stop putting it on the edges. Look, watch me. Just in the middle like that, okay? And I'll tell you when to stop. Not too fast or slow.
And then can I scrape the excess?
No, Bubba, I don't want you getting it like outside the mold bags.
Okay. I wonder which one I will get. I'm so excited.
And I don't know if there's even going to be a yours. So just, shoot. Okay. Okay. There's a solution to this.
Okay.
Just poke. Let me just mix it around in there. Let me just mix it in there.
Is yours done yet?
No, we have to wait an hour. It's 5:12 right now.
Okay.
It has to be like 6 o'clock.
Wow.
Scoop the excess off. Oops. Where'd that go? Oh, it's on the thing. excess. Oops. Accidentally touched it. Alright, so now I'm gonna
How did
leave
it
these
feel?
here for an hour.
What did it feel like?
I didn't feel it, Anna. It accidentally got on my hand.
Yeah, I see that.
Alright, I'm gonna set these aside for an hour
Okay.
and come back when they're ready.
Okay.
Bye for now. See you in a bit. Back. I'm gonna open the mold. So I'm gonna open mine first. Let's see. Slowly, really slowly. Let me see if I could peel it.
Okay,
off.
last time.
Yeah, just wait a second, okay?
Okay. Is that yours?
Yes, just wait a second, okay? Whoa. So this is the back. So let's see what the front looks like. Whoa. But that's what he turned out to look like. Yeah, it kind of got messed up on some sides, but it's really cool and squishy. So I'm gonna do the next. So that's this one. There's a lot of excess on this one, so. Alright, so I'm gonna see how well these go in a second. I just have to wash my hands. Do my monster. So I don't know if you could see it, but it's going really well. And these are squishy, so just beware. This is mine again. It's actually really bright still. So, that was it for the video. Don't forget that my channel's name is Akira's List. Or don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!